Hi, my name is Lydia, and the topic of my Canvas course is Science in the Lower Grades in the Dual Immersion Classroom. In the home page, there is an image that it is related to the topic, and there are also the objectives of this course. Here in the bottom, I have included two links. One that it is an internal link to other pages in Canvas that directs to the other modules of the course, and this other link takes the teachers to the UEN Science web page. As part of the assignment, I have created one page that it is an assignment too, and I have included one video to introduce myself. Part of this assignment is to have the teachers introducing themselves. They can record themselves, or they can write the information that I have written here, some notes with the information that they can share about themselves. Now in the modules section, we can see that module number 2 is locked, and the prerequisite is that module number 1 needs to be completed. I have created different types of assignments for this course, and if we go to this one, we're almost finished. I click on here, and I'm going to make this part a little bit bigger. I have added an animated GIF, and these are some of the questions that I have used. Fill in the blanks, true or false, and multiple option, and this one is one matching question. I have also included one graded survey for another part in a different module. For this course, I have also embedded some videos and also some PowerPoint presentations that I have exported in Google Slides. For example, this one is one of the videos that I have embedded. It is about DOK, and here is the Google Slides presentation that I have embedded. I hope that you like what I have done so far, and I want to thank you for today's class. Thank you.